They say the Rock Island left her rails in the weeds, and ties half buried, swallowed by seeds. But one old switchman never made it home, vanished down the siding where the freight cars groaned. Had a payroll box, brass latch and chain, headed through the bottoms in the drizzling rain. Found that box emptied down by the culvert hole, and folks still whisper about the switchman's gold. There's gold in the ground by Poyen Creek, under pine roots twisted and mud-stained feet. They say when the moon hits the rails just right, you can hear his hammer in the middle of the night, and the shovels still ring where the story's told. They're digging for the switchman's gold. Farm boys, drifters, and old men too, all took their turn on that midnight clue. One man swore he saw a ghost light flare right before the earth gave way down there. Now the trains don't run, but the legend rolls through the hush of the pines and the whistle poles. Every metal spark in the silt and mold brings a heartbeat closer to the switchman's gold. If greed's a curse and fate's a key, then he's still guarding what we can't see. The rails are gone, but the rumor stays shining like brass in the clay. There's gold in the ground by Poyen Creek, and folks still come when the nights turn meek. Hear that lonesome rhythm, steady and old. It's the ghost of a train and the switchman's gold. Wake up with the sun and the rooster shout, work boots thump as I'm stepping out, diesel humming like a gospel tune, kicking up dust by the light of the moon. Hammer hits wood in a 2/4 time, sweat on my brow but the rhythm's fine. Life out here's got a steady groove, even chores got a beat you can move to. Hey, let the back road play where the rhythm of the land keeps the worries away. Yeah, the town's real small but the heart runs deep, and every good day's got a back road beat. Tractor tires roll a fiddle sway, John's got a banjo on his porch all day, then falls with the crickets in tune, bonfire popping or the harvest moon. We ain't rich but we got what we need, honest work and a family creed. The world spins fast but we keep it slow, tapping our feet where the tall grass grows. Hey, and the back road play where the rhythm of the land keeps the worries away. Yeah, the town's real small but the heart runs deep, and every good day's got a back road beat. So clap your hands and stomp your shoes. Rural life got its own kind of blues,
but we dance right through it, sweet and neat, living proud with a back road beat.
I've walked through fire with a painted on smile, carried my demons for miles and miles, bruised in the shadows where no one sees, hoping there's something out there for me. Took wrong turns where the street lights die, no U-turn signs in this piece of sky. The rear view's full of ghosts and pain, but I still drive through the pouring rain. Somewhere down the road I'll find my way, where the night don't whisper the things I can't say. I keep moving on, 'cause yesterday's gone, and I pray this path is the right one I'm on. Somewhere down the road. I've begged the silence for some kind of sign, swore I heard truth in the engine's whine. Every mile's a maybe, every town a test, but I keep on looking for a place to rest. Time left its scars like barbed wire lines, wounds I hide behind borrowed rhymes. I ain't sure if I'm lost or close, but I trust the dust and I chase the hope. Somewhere down the road I'll find my way, where the night don't whisper the things I can't say. I keep moving on, 'cause yesterday's gone, and I pray this path is the right one I'm on. Somewhere down the road. I ain't looking for glory, ain't chasing gold, just a light that don't flicker when the wind gets cold. If there's peace out there, Lord, let it show before my wheels give out and I can't go. Somewhere down the road I'll find my way. Let the dawn be a promise I won't betray. I keep moving on, 'cause yesterday's gone, and I pray this path is the right one I'm on. Somewhere down the road. Born down by the river where the pines grow tall, all in Birchfield had nothing but a name to call. Hard times hit early, around 1932. He said the bank's got the money, I'll take what's due. They robbed that country store near Sheridan town. Just a sack of cornmeal and a $20 crown. Rode south by the moonlight, through the cypress and mist. The Traskwood kid with a pistol on his wrist. And the wind cries, run, boy, run, through the ironwood trees. Boots in the mud and a heart ill at ease. The river keeps secrets that time can't forbid. It still whispers the name of the Traskwood kid. A posse came riding, dogs howling at dawn. They found his campfire cold, but the boy was gone. For weeks they searched the hills where the red clay slid, but the woods took care of the Traskwood kid. They caught him near Magnet Cove, weary and thin, smelled like wood, smoke, guilt, and gin. Judge said, son, you're too young to hang for this bit. So they sent him home, just a Traskwood kid. He never left the county, never wore chains again. Built a cabin by the river where the tall reeds bend. Folks said he prayed when the trains rolled by, for the lives they wronged and the years gone dry. Now the wind cries, run, boy,